Hi everybody. So we have a question here. They say calculating. Hi everybody. Like I say, my name is Mutwana. Or sometime you can call me Twana Course or Mtwanawabantu. So let's get started. So we have a question right here. So the question say calculate extra compound interest received. Also want to get something extra when this amount. Let's see if it's clear visible. I don't like when the amount is like that. You see, it's kind of split. At first, I did this question, and then it really confused me because the amount was like I took 400 instead of take 180, whatever. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, like that. It's more clear. Okay. So, but look, this question here come from a student. So where he come from? Okay, so this question come from Lindokuhle in Johannesburg, in Gauteng, actually, in Katlehong. That's where the question come from. Also come from Ryan. Also, he sent me this question. Now let's get to the business. So here they say, oh my apology. They say calculate the extra interest rate received when this amount invested per annum for this time. And the same amount also, that was initial. But then the same amount now invested at the same rate, but now it is monthly paid. But at first it was what? It was annual paid. Oh, so we want to find the difference. But everything else, they same. So what we're gonna do here is very easy. Let's start first when it was annual invested. So the formula is amount equal to principal. Remember, this is compounded interest. So the formula of compound is P plus interest and then times how many years. But do not forget to, whenever there's an interest rate, you must divide it by how it was compounded. The same, you must multiply by how it was compounded. So for this one, for the first case, it was compounded what? Annual. So then I'm going to say amount equal to principal, the amount you start with, which is 184. And then we say 1 plus what is the interest rate? 13.2%. And then divided by how it was compounded. How it was compounded? We say at face annual. Annual meaning 1. Okay. And then we multiply by number of year. What number of year? 11.5. And then you multiply by 1 because it's compounded annual. Okay. At face. So it's amount. If you plug this in the calculator, should I show you how to plug? Come on, guys. How to plug. Some people don't know how to plug with a percent, so I can simply show. I don't mind. Okay, let's just show. Let me show you. Okay, how to plug that. So come in the calculator, clear everything, and then you come. You say, okay, 184, 184, 184, and then 00. 10. Okay, come here, write your bracket, say 1 plus, and then come in interest. Our interest rate is what is 13.2 50%. And they come underneath here, you just divide by 1. Close your bracket, and they come in close, and they come in a fraction, and they say 11.5 times 1. Because so it's gonna be 11.5. Okay, so that's the face on, right? So it's gonna be the face on 76 point something. So 76 point. Okay, so the face amount equal to 76.78 in approximation to decimal place. So we will do the same thing now. So this was for annually. So now what we're going to do, so I can keep a record here aside. Okay. So amount in annual equal to 76.58.78. So what we're going to do now, look, what I'm going to do, everything is going to be the same, but we're going to change a little things here. Now remember, is going to be compounded what? Monthly. So here it's not going to be annual, it's going to be monthly. Monthly means 12. Whenever there's M, it's going to be monthly 12, not annual. So we're going to change and write 12, mean how many months in 1 year? There are 12. That's why I replaced that one with a 12. See, for just in case if you don't know. Sometimes they might say it was compounded quarter. Quarter means instead of this, it was going to become 4 divided by 4 for quarterly. Quarter. For daily, you ask yourself how many days in 1 year. If it was going to be daily here, I was going to say instead of write 12, I was going to say 365 because there's 365 days in 1 year. If they could have said it was compounded, what else? Every 2 months. Now you ask yourself, how many 2 months in 1 year? There are 6. So here it's just going to be 6 and it's just going to be 6. You see? So I don't want to shift out of the line. Let's still focus on it. Chop it. So what we want to do, I can just simply replace that. Oh my God, it's supposed to move this way, right? Okay, so we can just simply replace by 12 and then we can get it done. So I'm going to say come here. We don't want to start from fresh. I can just say multiply by 12. Now 12, here come, say 1, 12. And here put 12. Okay, so it's going to be 83. Okay, 83 something. Okay, 83. So we come here. Let me move it to the right now, to the left. So now we know when it's compounded monthly now, is going to be amount, let's call amount monthly, equal to 83, 26, 7, 84. So what we're going to do now, we're going to subtract it, bigger minus smaller. So it seems like, okay, what I'm learning here is, if you have the same amount of money, and if you is going to be interested monthly, it seems like it's more money compared when it's interested in annual. You can see here, in a monthly basis, more than compared to the year. So we have to subtract the two. So we're going to say now, what we need, the extra now, equal to A3 to 67.84 minus 76,568.79. So when you subtract these two, it's going to give you 6699.06, and that's going to be this answer here. So look, something which is very, very important now. Let me show you here something very, very important. Some of you might be new, so please just come here, subscribe to the platform, so you know every time when I upload a new video, you get the notification. Okay, so just to respond to Putty and Ryan who requested this video, you know, I'm not quite sure where is Ryan Clary come from, but I know in specific in South Africa, but I know it could be Cape Town or Northern Cape based on the name. But I know also, because I didn't ask him, but next time I'll send shout out if he can write down and say, hey, Mtwana, I come from this province or this place, and then I'm gonna say shout out to you, you know. Or Ryan, I think he might come from Port Elizabeth or Cape Town, but from Katlehong in Gauteng. So thanks a lot for your time, man. If you FaceTime, please come here, show me some love. Subscribe over there, like I said, right here. Subscribe, click it, and then yeah, thanks a lot for your time. And share this video. Don't keep it to yourself, because the moment you share means you help another one. Just the way how you benefit. We want to make sure like a lot of people also benefit, just like how you benefit. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon. Peace and light.